If I were to ask you what is the answer to this summation, or basically in other words, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 all the way up till infinity? To answer this question, we need to look at something a tiny bit different. It's called the Grandi series. Now, Grandi series, or S sub g, is just 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 all the way up till infinity. Now, you might be tempted to say that it's 0, but I'll prove to you it's not. If you were to subtract 1 from this Grandi series, then you can see that the minus sign will get transposed over all the terms. So any plus would become a minus, and any minus would become a plus. So now we can simplify inside the brackets. So then we get 1 minus SG says 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is the series that we had before. So then we can get that 1 minus SG is SG. Now, with a little bit of algebraic manipulation, we can get that the series is 1/2. Now, let's look at a different series. I'm going to call this one series alpha in this case. So series alpha is just 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 and so on. So if I were to add series alpha to itself, but then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add it with a slight offset, as you can see. So it is still the same thing, just with a little bit of an offset. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, and that will continue on and on until infinity. So now we can start to simplify this expression to get that 2 series alpha is just 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is the Grandi series, which we know to be 1/2. So substituting, we can get that the series alpha is just 1/4. Now, we can go back to our before's question of what is the sum of all counting numbers. Now, the sum of all counting numbers, or I'm going to call this series S, is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. If I were to subtract series alpha from this, then basically the minus sign will get transposed over all the terms in series alpha. So any plus would become a minus, and any minus would become a plus. As you can see, the 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, the 3 and minus 3 get cancelled, the 5 and minus 5 get cancelled, and the 7 and minus 7 get cancelled. All the same, the like term gets added up together to give 4, 8, 12, and so on. So we get that the series minus series alpha is just 4 plus 8 plus 12 all the way up to infinity. Now, that is the same thing as the series multiplied with 4. So we get that series minus series alpha is just 4 times the series. We know that series alpha is 1/4, so substituting, we can get that the series is actually negative 1/12. So there you have it. The sum of all counting numbers is negative 1/12. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one. See ya!